Hello everybody, this is Listenat, and in today's video I'm going to be playing Murder Mystery on Roblox. So I'm going to the, he was the murderer, I'm going to be trying to be the murderer, or the sheriff. Because I've already got some knives. I got my brush, knife, and I got my gun. What is it called? It's called blue steel. And I'm going to need, I've got my power on, footsteps. I have nothing else. No one wants the radios. That's all I've got at the moment. So, we're loading the map up. No, come on. Murderer? Innocent, of course. Yes, of course I'm innocent, because I am always innocent, and I never get what I want. What's a trampoline? Does it work? Bounce. Oh, doesn't work. Wait, who's the murderer? I'm feeling it's that guy. I'm not sure. As you can see, my level is 29, so I've played it for a little bit. I'm going to try and get some coins and not die. Oi, hey, give me that. I want that dog. Give me. Okay, fine, you can have that dog. What? Wait. What? Why does he have an Xbox on his back? Wait, let me see your knife. What? It's just like... It's easy. Hey. Thank you. Oi, let me in. What do you want then? I'll give you an orange one. Oh, you got a yellow. Hey, I'm not accepting it until you give me that yellow one. I want that yellow one. Accept. Yes. Claim. Oh, take that. I've still got an orange one. Look. Wait. Classic. Because I had two orange ones. Now I got my yellow one. Yes, I got my yellow one. Yes. I got my new yellow knife. The brush was okay, but this yellow one's much better. Actually, this one's really common, so it's not actually that good, but the orange one is as common. A coin bag full. Hello? Has anyone been murdered yet? Has someone got the ninja perk? It's her! What are you doing? No, you're not. No, you're not taking a bath of leaves. I'm gonna dance. That's not the dance I wanted. No. Excuse me. Are you frozen? Oh. Okay. That's how it works now. I'm gonna vote for a map. Get to go away. I don't want to know. I already know. I'm not on level 30. Waiting for my turn. I like this one. Come on. Do they keep... Please say they kept the cellar. Okay. No. Wait, what's he called? Innocent? Murderer! I can use my yellow knife. I'm gonna act normal. I know what to do. Well, let's get this one. Haha, I can see your footsteps. Excuse me, get my yellow knife. You're gonna die. Excuse me. Okay, I want to use my gun. Okay, so I need to go. Wait. No, we're not gonna look at that. I might try my orange knife now. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna use my orange one because I can. I want to get a red knife or a blue. Wait, how much money do I have? Okay, not enough. Wait, how much is it for my weapon? This new weapon box? 1,000. Okay, Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Wait, Sheriff? No, I'm innocent. Why am I always innocent on this map? Not true, even working. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Hey, don't steal my coin. What's that? I'm gonna dance, like, because I can. Okay, that's not the dance I wanted. I wanted a bit better one, like, wait, was it? It was dance 2 is one I like. Yeah, that's the one. Hey, no, she's gonna be the murderer. Go away. Go away. I said go away. Oh wait, no. 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 Excuse me? Excuse me? Are you gonna be here? Oh, coins. Cinema. I have a feeling this is the murder. The gunshots. Oh, okay. Now you've got my full bag of coins. I only got... Look at that. Perfect. Ow. Deep sea knife and pirates? I want that. Actually, I want both of those. Trade. How do I trade? You. Trade. I'm gonna try and trade with someone. Ooh, I'm gonna give her a... Oh, she's doing all well. I don't like the bleach for this one. Yeah, let's go for this. No, we're not. We're lose. Okay, she didn't want it. Or he, I don't know. Yeah, I don't really like the beach one or the building. So, Why do I always have a feeling it's that guy with the Xbox knife? Who's... Oh. Yeah, one more. Yeah, one more. Why am I standing on this guy's head? Can I just like... Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I want the house. House. Everyone, vote for the house. No, yeah, no. You with the cars on your head. Come on. Thank you. We've got like the same kind of skin. Where? Oh no, I can't. Innocent sheriff. I'm gonna still collect some coins. I like being the murderer, so it's like I don't murder anyone, so I just get lots of coins, and then I start it to do it. And look at that. Why's my one button working? Excuse me. Oh. Just because my one button wasn't working. Okay. So everyone, this is the end of this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. And good